has been submitted on 7 October 2024.
Yes.
For alleged offences punishable under section 64, 66, 103(1) of the BNS 2023 against accused Sanjay Roy. Stop. The ACJM Sialda, by an order dated 7 October 2024, the ACJM Sialda has taken cognizance of the offences, and committed the case to the Court of the Additional Sessions Judge, First Court, Sialda. Full stop. The hearing for consideration on charge has been fixed on 4 November 2024. Next, the status report filed by the CBI indicates that further investigation into the alleged role of others in relation to the alleged rape and murder on 9 August 2024 is the subject matter of the continuing investigation.
Page 6, bottom, your lordships would find easily, my lord, what is in progress. It may not be necessary to record it, my lord, just
Yes.
for your lordships.
The CBI has also received communications pertaining to certain aspects which have been highlighted by parties appearing in the present proceedings to their counsel. Those matters are also being looked into by the CBI. Independently, full stop. The CBI has further highlighted the developments which have taken place in the course of the investigation in the case of financial irregularities in RGKAR Medical College and Hospital, which is being investigated in FIR number RC 0102 024 A 0007. Full stop. The further investigation along the lines of the further investigation, both in respect of the incident which took place on 9 August 2024 and in regard to the alleged financial irregularities, may continue. Full stop. The court shall be apprised of the further status of the investigation in that regard. The status report be submitted to this court within a period of 3 weeks. Stop.
Would your lordship like to take cognizance of the affidavit filed on the progress of the task force? They are
like to see what the task force has done, because that's very crucial.
We have filed an affidavit, but
you can give us,
I can give a copy. Copies are served on everyone, Manoj, because this is.
Yeah, but copy.
Yeah, of course.
You have another copies?
I just let me use the court. And Manoj, CBI officials are in direct touch with the parents of the deceased. And
you are meeting them and keeping them posted.
They are come.
Okay. Both the London Solicitor General and Ms. Vrinda and Council have stated that the CBI has been actively in contact with the parents of the deceased.
Yes.
And have kept the parents apprised of the progress of the investigation.
Yes.
Also, my lords, I've received from them the nodal officer, which Mehti has now appointed, in order to pull down any such material that may.
Any material which infringes upon the privacy of
What
the
also applies
deceased,
to
my
the
lord, or
fact
the
that,
family.
The Ministry of Electronics and that mighty has nominated a nodal officer who's in contact with the parents of the deceased, so that any offending material which is uploaded on any electronic website can be immediately pulled down.
Please, my lords.
Instead of the website, your lordships may say
Immediately.
any intermediary.
Yes,
On
all in.
all right.
All websites are not intermediary.
On any platform.
Any intermediary platform.
Intermediary platforms.
Please, my lords.
Obliged.
Page 17. So, Solicitor, what is the position of the task force actually?
Lord, the task force has, my lord, received some suggestions. If your lordships can only come to, my lord, page Lord 8. Page 8 of my affidavit, your lordships have. Lord, it
Yes.
is, yes. Lord, page 8, para 11. It is submitted that approximately 7,688 hospitals, medical establishments submitted their response.
This is on that questionnaire which was floated.
Yes, yes.
But you have now constituted 4 subgroups of the task force
Yes.
by your OM dated by OM dated 5th.
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. Get certified to enhance employability.
Of September 2024.
Correct, my lord. That,
Now, between 5th of September and today, what has happened?
my lord, your lordships would find that on page 4, para 8. Last meeting was 9th of September, but para 8.
But
is
after
submitted-
9th September, what has the task force done? No meeting after 9th?
No meeting after.
Then 9th.
The
now
last
15th,
meeting was
then on the 15th of October.
Last meeting was 9th of September.
But why is there no progress between the 9th of October and today?
But I can request them to expedite because the secretary is only secretary to the body. My lord. But the work appears to be humongous. If your lordship sees para 8,
So we see that because they are collecting they have collected data from all over the country.
that's in hundreds and thousands. For example, para 8, just read, my lord, for your
But, you know,
consideration.
The task force must expedite the work because
My lords are right. My lord, I bow down. 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received so far, out of which approximately 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals, have submitted their inputs. These inputs are being segregated and categorized for consideration of the concerned subgroups constituted under the National Task Force. And my lord, page 8, we have said, my lord, that total my lord, responses are 7,688 and 4,990 from state government and 2,436 from private sector and other categories 183. But this would be a I think whatever now the task force does, it would be a long-lasting solution, it seems. Therefore, they are also taking their time, going into each of the suggestion inputs, etc.
Order of this, pursuant to the order of this court dated 20 August 2024, the Union government issued an office memorandum on 21 August 2024, constituting a national task force at the first meeting of the NTF, which was held on 27 August 2024. Four subgroups have been constituted to engage with stakeholders and to submit and to prepare their recommendations on the following issues. A, strengthening infrastructure of medical institutions. B, strengthening security systems in medical institutions. C, revamping working conditions of healthcare professionals. And D, strengthening of legal framework across all states. A meeting of all the conveners and member secretaries of the subgroups was held on 9 September 2024. Pursuant to the directions which were issued on 22 August 2024. A web link has been created on the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for seeking inputs of various stakeholders. About 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received, comprising of 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals. Pursuant to the directions contained in the judgment dated 20 August 2024, The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has shared a questionnaire to all states stroke UTs. Stop in pursuance thereof. 7,688 hospitals stroke medical establishments have submitted their responses. Stop. These are being evaluated by the subgroups. Stop. Presently, it appears that the National Task Force has not made any, neither the National Task Force nor the subgroups have made any substantial progress in compliance with the, in pursuant to the remit set in the orders of this court, in the order of this court. Stop. The Solicitor General has accepted that no meeting appears to have been held since the first week of September 2024. Full stop. We are of the view that the union government must make proactive efforts to ensure that the work of the task force is completed within a time schedule, within a reasonable period in the future. Full stop. Accordingly, the meetings of the task force meetings of the NTF shall be held at periodic intervals. Stop. All subgroups shall hold regular meetings so that by the next date of this court is apprised of the tentative recommendations of the NTF, including its subgroups. This exercise should preferably be completed within a period of 3 weeks. We'll give 3 weeks now for the NTF to meet and complete all its work.
Only, my lord, one factual correction. When your lordships have said that we have requested the filled up questionnaires to be sent by the state governments and UTs, my lord, kindly add central and state government hospitals also. They are also, they are the real stakeholders.
Yes. Now that part is over now. NTF, the investigation, what else now remains for today, Mr. Sibbal?
My lords, if we may apprise my lords as to what is happening on the ground.
Filed an
During the
affidavit that
pujas-
first taken up, that affidavit.
The state of West Bengal?
Yes, and
Let us see your affidavit.
We received it a few minutes ago, my lords.
I have not received it yet. If
Of state of West Bengal का affidavit दे दीजिए.
you have a copy, extra copy. Master,
I'm giving a copy.
just give it.
if you have extra.
Yeah. It's there. Filed and circulated, Lord. Paragraph 4. The little shortfall which your lordship notices, my lord, 90%, 94, 98, no, that's on account of the work to be done in RGKAR hospital, my lord, with respect to which, my lord, we got the clearances, my lord, from the CBI on 9/10/24 and 14/10/24.
Para 4, sir.
Page,
Page 2.
All other hospital is complete.